All right, find the slope of each line. So let's do this.
And then just some more notebooks, just so
Let me make this big for you. So the first thing you want to do is you want to start with the dot on the farthest to the left, right? Left is over here, right is over here. And you want to draw a triangle. It's a right triangle, right? So when you find the slope, basically what you're doing is you just want to see the rise, that's an R, over the run, right? So we're going to go the up and down first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And we're going the run, we're going over 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 over 10, which is the same thing as 1/2. So that is the slope of number 1. All right, let's do number 2. All right, so on number 2, I'm gonna draw my triangles. So I'm starting at the left, and I go down, and go over, right? And I'm gonna do the rise over the run. So I went down, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the run is 1, 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. That is the slope. All right, so this is our slope-intercept form up here, right? Y equals mx plus b. So slope is m, and the y-intercept is b. So now we want to know, what is y-intercept, right? So if this is my little graph, and it goes like that, that's a bad example. I'm gonna erase that. Let's try again. My graph, my line goes like that. So the y-intercept would be exactly where my graphing line crosses the y-axis. So that's what they're asking for when they ask for y-intercept. So m, slope, is always going to be the number before the x, right? So it's going to be 1/3. And the y-intercept is going to be the number after the x, -4. So let me do number 3 as well. I'm using the same thing, slope, what number comes before the x? 2. What number comes after the x? -2. And we're actually going to learn how to graph from that in a bit. All right, to keep it simple, that's what I have. Text me with any questions.